Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand the knapsack algorithm with one example. So the example is shown on the screen. The knapsack has the capacity of 20. So this knapsack can hold the total weight, or the total capacity of the knapsack is 20, and there are the objects which are seen on the screen with profit and weight defined. For example, if you look at the first object, then the profit is 10 and weight is 2. Similarly, the third object has profit 15 and weight is 3. So we'll try to solve this problem using all the three approaches. One is maximum profit, one is minimum weight, and third is based on the profit and weight ratio. So in the first uh, approach, which is based on maximum profit, we will select the object which has maximum profit. For example, the object number 6 has maximum profit, so it is selected and it is stored in the bag knapsack completely, and the weight consumed by this object is 4. Okay, so now the capacity which is left in the bag is 11. Next object is the next maximum profit, that is 15, and its weight is 5. So it will be stored in the bag and the remaining capacity will be 6. Next object is 1, its profit is 10 and weight is 2. So this can be also completely placed, and now the weight remaining is 4. Next object in the sequence is 4, its profit is 7, but it also requires the capacity of 7 which is not there. So we will only take the capacity as 4, and we will also try to calculate the corresponding profit. For example, if I store the object with weight 7, I will get profit 7. Now I can only store 4. So my profit will be 4 into 7 by 7, that is 4. So this object, which is the last object in the bag, will be kept partially. Total profit will be 47 and total weight consumed will be 15. First approach, which is based on maximum profit, gives us total profit of 47. Second approach is based on minimum weight. So the first object which is selected will be of minimum weight. This is 1 and the profit is 6. Second object which is selected again based on the minimum weight is again 1. So this one has profit 3. And in this way, we continue selecting the object with minimum weight. So 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. So once we are done with some of the objects placed completely, there is a chance that the last object is placed partially. For example, we are at object 3, which requires 5, and in the bag we only have the capacity of 4. So again, for the profit value 15, we require weight as 5. So if the weight is 4, what will be the profit value? Okay, so profit value will be calculated as 15 into 4 by 5, that is equal to 12. The simple idea is just multiply 4 by 5 and by 15. So you will come to get the value 12. And then finally the total profit calculated is 54. Next is the profit by weight, where we have calculated the ratio, and based on the ratio we will do the selection. Selection will be based on the maximum ratio. For example, here we have calculated the ratio row, and you can see that first object which is selected will be this one, which has the maximum ratio of 6, and it has weight requirement of 1, and it gives the profit value 6. So total weight consume is 1, remaining is 14. Second will be 5, weight consume is 2, remaining is 12 and profit is 10. In this way, we continue further based on selection. So this is one first selected, then second selected. Then we have two objects with ratio 3. So this can be third and this can be fourth. Okay. And finally, we come to some object which cannot be completely placed. So for that, we will again apply the formula for partial placing. So object O2 is partially placed. The capacity remained is 2, capacity required is 3, and the profit needs to be calculated. So this is 10 by 3 equal to 3.3. And in this way, we get the maximum profit with this idea, that is 53.3. So the idea which exhibited in this video is the best approach is profit by weight ratio. Thank you.